Hello everyone, I am Bilal Moin and today is very special video along with our British client who came like 3 to 4 months back from Britain to Oman and now he's settled here. Alhamdulillah. Abid bhai, welcome to Oman.
Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.
Share your experience, like how you're feeling Oman, what you were thinking before heading here, and what would you recommend to your Britain fellows who are still in Oman, Britain and want to come to Oman?
The first thing is don't think too much about it. Come to Oman, have a look for yourself. See if it's for you. There's so many benefits. You can do your research and look at Bilal Bhai's videos and you can see all the benefits and whatever. If you think it's a good fit for you, then you could get one of these, which is ID card, which gives you the same rights as an Omani. You can get this. Bilal Bhai organised all my paperwork for me, etc. He's still helping me to this day, getting myself sorted out, settling into Oman. This is my first day in Oman and I'm here now to stay, inshallah Aziz.
Alhamdulillah. So when you came last time and then what did you think? You came on visit and then you were just you saw the things and then we made your all paperwork. So what are you thinking? Just share a little about till like then and now.
Okay, so we came initially in June. I came with my brother. We investigated and within a few days we said, yeah, this is the place. I said, this is the place that I want to be. I then came back in July, did all the admin, all the running around for the paperwork and getting the ID card, etc., medicals, which is done in a couple of days, to be honest with you. And then we researched business ideas and different viabilities of what business to actually go into. And we're still keeping it open. And now we're here now in Oman, looking for properties to rent, to stay, and then opening up business avenues and putting the roots down now.
So tell us something about lifestyle, like taxes or living expenses, or grocery, rent a car, all these stuff, like something little of everything.
So look, I live in Ilford. So if you want to get a 1-bedroom flat, it's going to be like a box. You're looking at about 1,200 to 13, maybe even £1,500 a month. You can get a 3-bedroom, beautiful 3-bedroom, 4-bathroom. Here, typically, if it's 1 bedroom, you get 2 bathrooms. 3-bedroom, you get 4 bathrooms, etc. And sometimes even a maid's room. You can live comfortably, and I'm talking very nice apartment, good lifestyle, for about £1,000 a month.
MashaAllah.
I think so, with £1,000 a month.
Okay, so you highly recommend like Oman could be a better place if somebody want to migrate for the sake of good, right?
100%. I mean, the issues that people in the UK are facing, and they keep on facing every week. There's new tax coming out. They want to tax people there for using their cars, so the road tax is going up. There's no such thing as a road tax in this country.
MashaAllah, yes, there is no
0% tax.
0% tax,
okay?
yes.
There's 0% tax. There's 0% as employees. There's 0% inheritance tax.
Alhamdulillah.
Okay?
So this all experiences as per your like last 3 months experience, which you are feeling yourself be in Oman, like these all expertise and experiences you are sharing on behalf of that, right?
Absolutely, 100%.
It's not something 100%. You came first day and you just making this video. It's been 3 or 4 months now.
This is my 3rd visit. This adventure, if you want to call it, started in June. So from June to we're now in October the 15th.
Okay.
And I'm here.
MashaAllah.
It's taking me. This is my 3rd visit in 5 months, and this is the permanent visit, if you want to.
Permanent, like you closed everything and now you are here finally.
I've closed the business back in the UK. I've come here with my wife. Wife's going back in 2 months. And listen, guys, I'm a family man. Okay?
Alhamdulillah.
I'm a family man. Alhamdulillah. My kids are in the UK. They're older kids, so they can look after themselves. But this is a setup for me personally and also for the family as well.
Inshallah.
So it's not just you're doing it for yourself, you're doing it for your kids.
Okay.
And how many people in the UK, how many Pakistanis, particularly our parents said, one day there will be a time when you'll have to leave the country that you're in.
Of course, yeah.
Well, if we know this is going to happen, and if you think it's going to happen, what have you done about it?
So tell them the good news. I'm coming to UK inshallah to meet them in person, just to sort out these all things. 18th of October inshallah azawajal.
Yeah. So if you can't come to Muscat, Muscat is coming to you. Bilal Bhai is coming to you inshallah. He's coming to Ilford, which is my hometown. He'll be there on Eaton Road. Everyone knows from the area, Eaton Road, the community centre. Come there. It's on the 18th.
October.
October, so it's this month, literally 3 days time.
Yeah,
So
7 o'clock inshallah.
7 o'clock inshallah.
PM, 7 PM. And
7 p.m. So if you've got any queries, do your research now and then really ask Bilal about any question, any queries that you have. Okay, and even if you want to ask me, he'll give you my details, and I'll be more than, because I'm living proof. You may think he's trying to sell
You know, we are
something.
making this video at the road to just to show the vibes. You know, otherwise we can make it in our office and everywhere else. Alaikum salam. How are you? Good.
I'm good. Brother, I've seen a couple of your videos.
Okay.
And in fact, you know, I was going to reach out to you.
So.
Me and my cousin, we are here essentially to look after some opportunities here.
Okay.
And, we just bumped into you.
Okay, well, let me finish this, then we'll be in touch, inshallah. So we are making this video at the road just to tell you these real vibes. You know, people are coming all over the world. They are just searching opportunities, and alhamdulillah, Rabbil Alameen, the things are there. So I will be in Ilford, 18th of October, inshallah, to answer all of your questions, whatever you want to settle down yourself here, education, properties, investments, business setup, etc., each and everything. See you guys in Ilford. What name of that business community center, right?
Yeah, Eaton Road is the community center. There's a masjid on the top. Most people in the area know
So
where it is.
Eaton Road Community Center, 18 October, this, like after literally 3 days, 7 PM in evening, inshallah azawajal, you guys can come over there. It's an open invitation for everybody. You pass on this information to all whom you know and who want to migrate to Oman for the best, you know, for the sake of their children or investment or whatever you want to know about Oman. I'll be there inshallah in person to tell you all these things, and we have many proofs, like Abid Bhai, who literally made their immigration to and now settled in Oman, inshallah. Abid Bhai, last word for your fellows and your feelings about Oman.
Guys, you have to imagine that time is running out because it's getting harder and stricter. When I applied, it was really
Easy, yeah, that time very easy.
Yeah? So it's still, Bilal will still look after all the documentation and get it through, inshallah.
Inshallah,
But
Zaza.
it is getting a little bit tougher. And with each commencing month, I think they're going to put more and more stringent measures.
Inshallah.
So all they want to do is bring out the cream, if you like. So it's going to get tougher.
Tell us something of the rents. You know, previously when you came last 3 months back, you talk about, you know, you were calling for properties and rents, and now what are the differences?
Okay, so initially you could get, when I came in June, a nice 2-bedroom property for 250 Omani Riyal, which converts to around about £500. Okay, that same property now, I'm looking at similar properties. I'm looking at 400.
MashaAllah,
Okay?
mashallah.
And the crazy thing is, anything you like, other people like the same property. So you have to go there, and if you like it, put your name on it before it goes. It's that sort of hot. And in terms of commercial property, that's even harder to to organize. You have to be really vigilant and you will find it, but you have to really investigate. There are deals there to be had, but you have to really investigate. It's not like strolling up to an agency and say, give me what you got. They're not there to
Simple demand and supply. You know, things are the good things are not you can't wait for them.
No,
It's
exactly.
going on. So we are here now, inshallah. We'll support. We'll see how we can find Abid Bhai properties here and commercial properties, and Abid Bhai gonna open his business also, inshallah, very soon. We'll try our best to get as much as we can, and see you guys there, inshallah azawajal, in Ilford, 18th of October. Abid Bhai, good luck. We'll be in touch, inshallah azawajal. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa ta'ala wa barakatuh.